Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, today we will be talking about life. Many people give up life as a result of not being able to achieve their life goals due to certain challenges that normally comes their way. But we must understand that in this life we may encounter a lot of defeat, but we must not be defeated. And remind you that today's accomplishments were yesterday's impossibility. My beloved, get this, that in this 21st century, the world only belongs to the competent ones. So my advice to you is that get good, get better, be the best. Thank you, God bless you. Subscribe to the channel.